These are the elevators at the newly built Residence Inn by Marriott Hotel, Pittsburgh University Place in Oakland, Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania. And here it is. These are brand new Otis Gen2 elevators with newer Series 2 swing panel. It's elevator number 2, put to 10. I was expecting Schindler 5500, but no, we just have this. Skyview, which is right next door, has Schindler 5500. No, this place is Otis Gen2. Here at 10.
10 floor.
That's a muffled voice. Go back down to lobby. ADA phone. Pretty basic fake cab. Brown. Case 59's elevators. Fire operation and key switches. Elevator number 2. Pretty basic Gen 2. Here back to the lobby.
Lobby.
Quiet. Go on. There's the annunciator, which is an older Otis annunciator, which is interesting. There it goes an aesthetic.